everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So it's been a while since I've done a nail tutorial, and that's because I've actually switched my nail method a lot recently. So if you guys see my old videos, I used to do polygel and I like it, but then Gel-X became very popular and I wanted to try it, and then after trying it out, I just completely fell in love with it, so I haven't done polygels in a while. These here are Gel-X, and they're more kind of like press-on nails, I feel, because I usually do the designs first and then I have them ready, and then when it is time for the next set, I just kind of press them on. And so if you guys are ready to see how I did these Gel-X nails, please keep watching and let's get started. So I bought this set of Gel-X a bit ago, and sorry, I don't remember exactly what was in it. I know this light was in it with its cable, and then it had a bunch of nail tips. All the nail tips were just, in little baggies and stuff, and you just kind of, decide what size you need for what finger. It also came with the nail glue. I did get this from Amazon, so I'll just have it linked down in the description. Something that I found very helpful was these thingies right here, and I ordered these from Amazon as well. And I'm sorry, I kind of ripped off one of the nails. I got very impatient, so don't do this, don't rip them off, but sorry. Anyway, so I got these from Amazon. And you can see here I have put on just double-sided foamy tape that I just had on hand so my nail tips can stick on. And so they stick on just like this. And I also got these from Amazon as well. And so after you're done choosing the sizes for your nails, all you have to do is just put them on the little stand here. And I like doing this because it helps me like hold them better. And like you could just see your overall design like this. If the nails are too long, you can cut them. I have cut these before and just, filed the tip of them. But I think I did see kits that had smaller nail sizes. So these are very long. I like to have very long nails, as you can see. But yeah, there's other sizes if you need them to be smaller. And the first thing I like to do with these nails is to just buff out the shiny parts. For that, I just use one of these, also from Amazon. And these are just magnets so you can unstick them and stuff. So I just hold it like this and just buff on top. And so your nail should just look like this, no shininess. And then just do that to the rest of the nails. Here I have removed all the shininess, and now we can just begin basically designing however we want our sets to look. Usually I look in Pinterest for inspiration. A lot of my designs come from there. I do have a lot of like nail stickers and like nail stuff, tattoos, water decals, all different things. I think these are from Shein, and some of these are from Amazon. I also have like a lot of glitters and flowers, also from Amazon. So that is what I use usually to design my nails. I'm going to a festival this weekend, so I want to do something very shiny and, festival-y. So I want to use a lot of glitter, so I think this one's going to be good. And to start off, I just want to do like a gradients, kind of like nail tip with glitter. So I want to like focus the glitter on the tip of the nail. And then once you have that, you kind of just drag it down to give that like gradient illusion effect.
Please keep in mind that you are going to be using gel glue to glue this together once you're done. So make sure that you do not use any dark background colors. Or like in this case, I'm using an ombre effect, so then I'm going to be able to see the nail bed once they go on my nails.
And so we have something like this. This lamp I've had forever. I think my sister gave it to me. It's very old, but it does the job, and I'm just going to be using this to cure my nails. And depending on the design that you want, you're just going to keep repeating the steps. So I think I want to do the gradient effect to all my nails, so I'm just going to keep going. And this is how my nail came out, but I do want to do a second coat because I want it to be very shiny in the tips, so I'm just going to do one more coat. And so I do have these really thin liners. I'm not going to put them in the description because I don't really like them. They arrived very dry and they're very hard to work with. So If you guys just have like a nail brush or something different, I would recommend you use that. These are not good. So I'm just gonna do like an X. And the smiley face. And now to fix the eyes, I'm just gonna be taking my dotty tool and like make the eyes a little bit bigger here. And so, okay, not too bad. And I'm just gonna cure this for 30 seconds. Next finger, I am just gonna be taking my dotting tool and making some flowers. And I'm just gonna cure this. Next, for the middle finger, I think I'm just gonna do something simple and just use my stickers. And so I'm just gonna take like a half butterfly here. And it goes right on top. Same thing for the other nail. And last, for this little pinky nail, I'm just gonna be putting the words "be kind." And I also added just a small butterfly on the top. And so this is what I have so far. And now I think it's time for some rhinestones. So again, I did get this rhinestone glue from Amazon as well, so this is what I'm going to be using. And I am going to be using very small rhinestones right here. And usually when you order rhinestones, you always get this white pen that's like meant to pick them up. And so for my flowers, I want some rhinestones on the insides, of course. And again, I'm going to let this cure. And I added one more butterfly just in the little corner. I don't know, I thought it would bring the whole thing together. But again, I'm just going to be adding some rhinestones. And again, cure. And once you're done with your design and adding all your little rhinestones and stuff, the last part is just to seal everything in. For that, I like to use this top coat right here. I also got it from Amazon and I always use this one. And so we just need to add one clear top coat on all of these nails and that will seal it in. And this top coat doesn't require you to wipe it at the end. Once it dries like not sticky, so you can just put your nails on right away. And then you just cure for 30 seconds. And you can go around your rhinestones if you don't want to put top coat on them, but usually I just like to seal everything in just to make sure my rhinestones last a long time and they don't fall off. So like you guys are seeing, I just go right over those rhinestones. And so this method works best when you don't really put any dark colors right here on the nail bed, just so you could be able to see the nail glue move and, you know, not use too much or too little. And I like using this method of just doing the nails before putting them on, because it's hard for me to design on them, and then to do my left hand it's going to be even more of a pain. So this helps me a lot, have my nails ready and done, and then just basically stick them on. I'm going to go ahead, finish the other hand, and then remove these nails, and then I'll come back to show you how I stick them on. So here I have removed my nails and also buffed them out. All I do is just, with this tool, is kind of push the cuticle back a little bit. I never cut them though. And then just with the nail filer, I just file the top of the bed. There's a lot more better videos of nail prep than this. I don't want to do a nail prep because I know my method is not great. But this is what has worked for me. So from this, all I do is just use this right here. It's a primer. I've had it forever. You can see how old it is. It's about like 5 years old, but it's lasted me a long time, and there's still like quite a bit in there. And so all we have to do is just basically paint it on top of our nails. And now we're just going to take our first set of nails and remove them here. And from there we're going to need this tool right here. And so just plug it in. And this is motion activated, so once you put your finger in, it turns on. So we're just going to keep that handy right there. Here we have our glue. And I like to start with the index finger and then my thumb finger be the end. So I'm just going to put some glue here. Start right at the cuticle bed until we get all the way to the end of the nail bed, and then we're just going to cure. And just like that, I have my first nail, so I'm just going to repeat the same steps to the rest of the nails. Once you're done, make sure that you also give it some more time in an actual lamp, just to make sure that everything is cured properly. And so last step after you have applied your nails is just taking your nail file and just giving it a nice shaping. So I want them straighter, so we're just going to shape them really quick and then be done. Here we go, and all we would have to do now is just add some cuticle oil or lotion, because I don't have cuticle oil actually, but we are done, and you guys can see how easy that was. I find it so much easier being able to design before applying, because it just makes it so much simpler for me. So if you guys like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work, and thank you so much for watching.